Hi everyone, this is Fikayo of fikitao.com, and in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to do simple slide up and slide down effects with jQuery. jQuery is an awesome JavaScript library that helps you to write less and do more, which is actually their slogan. It's the jQuery site, jQuery.com. You can download your jQuery library here, and you can also download so many things, plugins, and you can also use jQuery UI, jQuery mobile, so many awesome products that they have, and all for free. So I encourage you to get your jQuery and get it up and running, and yeah, there. Now let's jump back into our tutorial. We're going to be doing slide up and slide down effects with jQuery. So I have a box here with a green background and 3 buttons: slide up, slide down, slide toggle. These buttons don't do anything right now, but very soon we're going to be adding functionality to all these buttons so that they will do as they say. Slide up would actually cause this box to slide up. The slide down will cause it to slide down when it's not in view. Then no, slide toggle will just alternate between the two effects. Now let's jump into our code. I have here sliding.html. So let me just change this. That was actually my last tutorial. Okay, sliding, jQuery sliding, and I have my basic HTML structure here. I have my jQuery library included with the script tag. As you can see, source jQuery.js. Any version of jQuery would work. This is contained in my JS folder. I have a script tag open here. This is where I'm going to be adding all my jQuery code. I have a CSS here which is styling my box presently, giving it a height and width and background color. Then I have my box, which is just a simple empty div with an ID of box, and my 3 buttons: slide up, slide down, slide toggle. Slide up has an ID of slide up, camel case. Slide down has an ID of slide down, also camel case, and slide toggle, the same thing. So quickly I'm going to jump into my script tag here. The first thing I'm going to do is to add my document.ready. Document.ready. I'm going to set my anonymous function. Close my bracket, then put a comment here and say .ready, and yeah. Okay. And in between my document.ready is where I'm going to be adding all the functionality that is needed to be added to the buttons. And first I'm going to be adding functionality to the slide up button. Slide up button is down here with an ID of slide up. So here I'm going to use jQuery to grab that button by its ID using its CSS selector. I'm going to slide up. Now set a click event on it. My click event, I'm going to give it an anonymous function. Close here and put a comment down here saying end slide up. Now inside the anonymous function block, I'm going to simply grab the box with jQuery and CSS selector. Then I'm going to call a jQuery specialized function of slide up on the box so that the box slides up when the slide up button is clicked. Function name. Then yeah, that will be all for slide up. I'm going to save that. As you can see what's going on here, I grabbed the button, which is slide up button that has the ID of slide up. Then I simply set a click event on it, and inside my click event I give it an anonymous function. Inside the anonymous function, what the function basically does is that it grabs the box and it calls the jQuery specialized function of slide up on it, which is actually going to give us the desired effect. So with that saved, go to my browser I refresh it. When I click my slider button, my box slides up. I refresh that for you to see again. Click the slider button, the box slides up. Cool, isn't it? Now we're going to be working with slide down. We're going to be adding the slide down effect to our slide down button. I'll simply jump back into my code, and I'm going to copy this code block for slide up, because it's slide down will work with a similar structure. So let's just save ourselves some time there. Our slide down button has an ID of slide down. Slide down. So just go up here, and here I'm going to slide down. So edit this. The same click event, anonymous function, grab the box, then going to call the jQuery specialized function of slide down on this slide down. Then edit my comment, slides down, that I won't be confused. So I grab the button with its ID slide down, set my click event on it, define the anonymous function, then inside the function I grabbed the box and called the jQuery specialized function of slide down on it. So with that saved, let's jump into our code and see how that works. Let's jump to our browser, refresh the browser, and at first when we click slide down, it doesn't do anything because there's actually no way this box will slide down. It's already in view. So first let's slide it up. Then when we click slide down, you see the box automatically slides down. If you want a case whereby the box is initially hidden, then when you click a slide down button, it slides down. You can just set a CSS property of display none on the box initially. So when the browser loads, the box is hidden by default. Then when the slide down button is clicked, the box slides down. So you can see slide up, slide down. Cool. Next we're going to be working with slide toggle. What slide toggle actually does, it just toggles the effect. It slides up when the box is visible, and it slides down when the box is not visible. So to add the slide toggle effect to this button, we just go back to our code, and we paste our code block once again, which works similar. We have our slide toggle button having a slide toggle ID written in camel case. So we come here and edit this code we've pasted here. Now I slide toggle. You can actually use any ID you want, just make sure it's relevant, just make sure it makes sense. So we'll click event on it, anonymous function, we'll grab the box, then we'll now call the jQuery specialized function of slide toggle on the box, slide toggle. So we just say end slide toggle here to correspond. So we've grabbed the button, set our click event, then inside our anonymous function grab the box and call the slide toggle function on it. So save that, into our browser, we load the page, and see the effect of our slide toggle. You see, it simply just alternates, and isn't that cool? Yeah, so as simple as that is, that's how you add these cool functions that will have taken so many lines of code using the native JavaScript, but as you can see with jQuery, just a few lines and we are achieving this awesome effect. So I encourage you to explore this in different applications. Keep visiting fakeitout.com, keep following up on our projects, our DVDs, keep purchasing our DVDs, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can know all the videos that are currently being uploaded, and can learn a lot of things for free with our articles, and just have fun with this. So guys, wish you the best. See you next time.